Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah. So, as I said, the people them and the supporter them are reach out, help support the cause. Yeah, them gonna try to get the place sorted out. So when the builder ready and everything, you take the measurement and your place, so you can get it sorted out for you. So now I already speak to your mother, and she give you the go ahead, say if you decide to do that. Right, so you have Shelly from the UK. She sent $17,000 towards the materials for your place. You see? So we're going to count it, but we're going to keep the money and put it down towards your materials. You understand? So if anything you want, anything you circle Ginger same way, and you will get out of it. But these are towards your material. So you understand? So this is someone you count this. This is 17,000 from Shelly from the UK. So count it.
50, 60, 70.
Yeah, so that's 17,000 towards the materials, right? So as I say, we're going to keep the money and make sure it stays still in the bank. Anything that we get, we're going to put it down towards the material and anything them say you can start up. Right? So the builder, I'm going to take the measurement and make you know what we're going to need and how much plies and anything that we're going to need and cement and things. So we're going to reach out back to the people them and make them know what we're going to need so we can get the more support for you. You understand? So when I speak to your mother already, I should give you the go ahead. Right, Marvin? You say it's alright. So you don't have to worry about that. We'll start with that as well, you see me? We're going to do that. So you have 6,000 Shelly. Simone already give you 5,000 already earlier today. And plus that. So anything else that we get, we're going to put it down towards the materials. You understand? Because you need a lot of money. You see me? And we'll get someone to buy a TV. And someone's going to buy a bed. So at least we have them here in place. So the main thing now is to get the materials and them stuff. You see me? And we're going to need to sort out the medication as well too. So if we get enough contribution, or we can make a good doctor and then can sort out the medication we can take on a daily basis. You see me? So that I will take money as well if we need to go to doctor and do a checkup. You see me? Because your mother that say stress cause it and then you could think there. And then I say like it's a mental health. She tell me say you have a mental health problem. Because she tell me say you go Bellevue sometime and then you could think there. So she says a mental health problem. So you're gonna need daily medication for your problem. You see me? So any contribution we get, you have to go towards the cause. You understand? You already there on Ginger. You will get food and stuff to eat whenever you're on Ginger. So we need to do the right thing. Yeah? So we just want to just hold the faith same way. And I'm going to say if you want anything, I'll make a serve for Ginger. But me, I will keep the money for you. So nobody now will come and perplex you. You see what I'm saying? So me, I will keep the money for you on the bank. Anything I will get, I'll put it down. So when ready, just buy the material. Alright? So you have 17,000. You see me? So plus you have 5. So anything when you get from the last one, that's already for you. You see me? So this now towards the cars. Right? Alright. Shelly, go on, you can tell her now.
Shelly, only for thanks and only for blessings. Give thanks where you do for appreciate that.
Yeah, so Shelly from the UK.
Shelly from the UK.
Big up yourself, from, you know?
Big up yourself, man. Respect. Only for blessings.
The legs are my shape. Yeah, the nerves. So Shelly, give thanks and big up yourself. And Vera, big up yourself, see you here. You don't know.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody who play them parts, see you here.
Unknown, everyone.
Unknown, every single person who play them part. Yeah, big up Simone, see me. You see me? So, Prince, now we're here, just go on all the field, see me. Yeah? Shelly, big up yourself. Straight.
Up, sir. She's right, my boss, man. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love what I'm doing for you because you need that help, you know, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you go for rough film star.
Sure.
I don't know that if you're there around me, so I'm going to try and make him get that, you see me? Yeah, which is right, brother.
Yeah,
so
man.
I'm glad if you don't say them reach out to him and them.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
Definitely that's that.
So I eat keen, man.
Yeah, man, alright then.
Right here.
Go on with the good way.
Up, sir.
Yeah, man, you are better around, man.
To build in the yard.
Yeah, so what everything, man. A bathroom can build, man, everything.
I carry it out, so. I carry it.
No problem. That is 10 by 10. 12 by 12.
You can dig game 12 by 12. You know, so we'll go buy material, we'll take around 12 sheets apply, 2x4s and them thing there, 7 sheets of zinc. And we'll go set up a base beam and them thing there. So from there,
So we're not going to do it on the front, we're going to do it
on the front because basically outside which part it there, it's not really feasible there, so we're going to take it inside of his mother yard.
Yeah.
You know, it's more convenient and more secure.
Yeah.
You understand? Because where it is there right now, that's a no-no. No man enough live under them condition. You understand?
Yeah.
So we have to try to make it right by putting it inside.
Yeah.
We're more safer. If anything during Walter. If anything during the night. If anything during the night, anything sickness or anything, easily access to him and can't think because Rem is right now on the outside and the mother the inside, enclosed and him there on the outside. That's not right.
Yeah.
You understand? So all of them things they have to really change up to make it more suitable for him and him own safety and convenient.
Yeah.
You know? So
you still have to do the round off and check
the
up?
round off, check up everything and calculate everything and then from there we'll take it on and you know where we stand.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man. So basically, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do all of that and get back to you and make you know and get a full
rundown.
Yeah, everything.
Alright then.
So you can go deal with my team.
Yeah, so
thumbs up, man.
Yeah, so thumbs up. So paper, that's a little preview.
Yeah, you know, that's a little preview of where I go on, you know.
Yeah.
And as we are saying, we are thanks for the support. We'll now get to the youth them, you know, and answer to the call, you know.
Yeah.
Jin, them thing nearly finished. And boy, I tell you, everybody put the man's on heart tonight, you know.
Yeah, true.
Up to the end. So we know it's a film journey. For make him more comfortable, almost come to a close now. That's they can mix and mingle and be amongst the people and get back. You know? Because I'm too alone and forgotten. So it's a part of everything now. So Prince now, who this youth here, a youth who even in a lesser position and Gingy not this man. And him right now, I take care of Gingy. And there by his side, a man where it need, but yet still him can find the time and put out the effort to help somebody who even in the same situation and even worse than him, although him in a bad situation. So we're gonna make the whole thing right. That's two of them comfortable. You understand? So we're gonna put out the effort right now.
You know, and
we're gonna make everything up for you.
So that's
so people, bless up for the support. We're glad for now though. It's a blessing. You understand? And we need this to go on a long time. But nothing done before the time.
True.
You know?
This are the time.
Anything Father God said, nobody can say no.
Alright. Give thanks.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Blessings. What if a blessing and respect to all the people and all in the world, you know? You know, what if I love, you know? Love, you know, without love and prayer and Father God, it can't happen. So it, you know,
if you have love in everything.
So love, you know. God bless you, you know.
Thanks for the support a million times. Can't too much we say thanks, man.
Blessings.
Now the wonders.
Yeah, man. Blessings, blessings.
So people are gonna ask you for reach out, see you here for Prince. Because you know we're gonna need the material and things.
And him are the man behind Gingy.
And him are the one behind Gingy.
You know, support him.
So we're gonna let the support see him here for Prince so we can buy up the materials. So soon as the builder give you an estimate on the things that we can go check out and get an invoice. And see roughly how much we are work with. So we can start the thing. So people give thanks for the support and the viewers them. Thanks for watching and everything. So we're keeping in tune. So blessings and give thanks.
Blessings, blessings.
Yeah, so blessings and give thanks to Marie Bravo. She said we must buy 2 elderly groceries. So we must buy groceries for 2 elderly. So at least you can, that care package, so she must buy 2 elderly groceries. So we just do some shopping, me and Marvin there.
Blessing, blessing.
So me and Marvin Morgan there in a half a tree, we come buy some groceries for 2 elderly. Give thanks to Marie Bravo. He said must buy 2 elderly grocery. So thanks much for your support, Marie, and thanks to the subscribers them, and thanks to the watchers them. Thanks to the people who are doing towards Jim Cars and Prince Cars. We can't thank me enough. So I give thanks to the Almighty. So they are still me do the good works here me for the people them. So give thanks. Marie, bless up. You can buy the grocery here, so we look for 2 elderly in Churchtown and make them get this grocery here in the day. So thanks to the viewers them. Yeah, thanks to the people that want support the cars. So you don't know a good life to think there. Yeah, blessings to everyone. So on the journey to Churchtown, then after now we're going to visit Jim. We also have some donation for Jim as well too. So give thanks to everybody who support the cars. Marie, big up yourself once more again to the groceries then. So I'm going to find 2 elderly in Churchtown so they can get them the grocery in a day. So can't stop at gap. So give thanks.
You know something that me aside?
I pick up Erica, you look up on the phone, camera on top. Yeah. You have to put out some.
You still go on the house then?
Big man Tata, you know foundation. No people remember the money, you know. We have to look how fame as a young girl on the street. What go on, Tata? We're there in a place, you know?
Tata. Blessings, my general. Blessings to a great Tata this.
Tata. Blessings, blessings.
Alright. Yes, sir.
We bring some liquor, bring a liquor care package for you, yeah? Yeah. Somebody overseas, so we must buy 2 elderly grocery, and we consider you there and consider you.
Yeah,
and say you.
Them about the program.
Yeah, so we tell you what the program is, so we decide so we come give one day. It's not much, but at least something we can stop a little gap.
Yeah, give thanks.
The person here, Marie Bravo, from the United States. So if you can tell her a little many thanks for what she do. Care package for
Well,
grocery.
thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
So why him condition? What's wrong with him?
Well, to me, up in age and thing, you don't know some about little shaking and thing and urinal problem, but they are still a one panka with him, but Chinny are the girl who put in most of the work, you see.
Hello, hi Marie. We just want to say thanks for the the many things are whatsoever to come in store for Mr. Arthur, because him really need it. Him not a relative, him not nobody. From we are Pitney and grew up, we don't know him as have no relative, not nobody. But we really appreciate any little thing we get. We give God thanks for it. Yeah man, because I just look after him, because due to the corona thing and thing, you know, so if you're an elderly person, we're not nobody, we have to be responsible for him and look after him. So we really appreciate it, and we give God thanks.
So how long have you been looking after him?
Why? Not very long, you know, but you know, we try to help here and there.
Okay.
Because me as a person, I work some more time, you know.
Yeah,
we just have to give God thanks what we can do.
And Diana also play a part as well.
Yes. You know, everybody play a part, because we just have to spread the word, you know. Because each one reach one, we are a family. Because from we know, we don't see we are family. So we just have to just continue to do what we can do and the best we can do. But we really appreciate it. Tell her many thanks.
Yeah. So now, all the years now, you live right here, so?
Foundation. Come see them man, boy. You see it?
No family.
How much years are they, boy, no, Mr. Tata, no?
Many years.
Life sentence, them man, you do.
Years.
From his Ambra days, them days there.
Yeah, man.
Go to, in the 60s.
60s, okay.
But we never yet see him like the same have a spouse or him have a daughter or something, you understand? I just see him alone.
Always.
Yeah, free.
Yeah man, him alone. So we know here and there we take care, but right now we want to look clothes for him and thing. You know, so if you have a donation or look clothes, we can replace it.
We get clothes to him, but you don't need can't too much car. You see the urinal thing, you have to know for money time. Yeah.
So man,
underpants
and
yes. So Pampers, any little thing we can give. Any little thing we can give.
Pampers and little thing that be great.
Really appreciate it. Because if I see my elderly man and thing, up in them 80s and things.
Them 80s now.
Yeah.
No kids.
No kids, no relative.
No
never
relative.
seen anybody.
Never.
No.
So
but the community support and thing, we give thanks.
Left foot, Bud and Fabian and them man, they can't tell about him, but we don't really know much, because you know we're the younger generation, but in there, you know, we try to guide him when he come in and them thing there, you know. So just there, I go and sit in that, you know. Alright, and thing of food and thing. So Miss Marie, don't know, you know, the blessing goes out, you know. Yeah, there, you know. Yeah, go and keep the faith.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And well, I ask the people, them anything with them, we can try to support them, like Pampers.
And clothes and things.
Come to see how really help him out and clean out.
One time we just say homes, you know, but sometimes them things don't really work. You see, it stress them out, so
kill them quicker, man.
Prefer you have them,
just to care, you know, just to support and care.
People are looking out for them more.
I'm really thanking you for the care when you really have about films, so then really look after him, really like that still. Because you know, as I say, everybody can do what you do.
True, strong heart, you know, and faith.
Strong heart and faith, and we really like that.
Yeah, man.
And appreciate that. So,
really
hope the people then can reach out and can get some Pampers and some clothes, and even some more groceries and things.
Yes, that's really need it.
Because I want to really cook for him and them things.
Yeah, man. No, him kind of do him one thing. Yeah, I support him with him food, man. I cook for him to make sure him get. So if him feel like he want to do a little thing, him just do him thing. Can make sure him have him coal and him things him need, him necessary things him.
Okay.
And him good, man.
So him have a little kitchen as well too already.
No, man.
You just see a same over the years.
So him look camp there.
Oh, so he must cook right here, so. Or him store right there, so.
Him know if he catch him thing, man. Him good, man. So certain thing. But I'm say I just the help him need and the support. So the love and that will keep him more stronger and longer. So.
Alright then, Tata. Go and big up yourself and go and keep the faith. See me, my uncle,
Yeah.
And just give thanks and hope say the blessings can forward so we can get to support you. Yeah, Diane, big up yourself.
Yeah, one love, you know.
Big up yourself, chin. Yeah, and respect for one another.
You need a fan in there.
Yeah, because in your heart. You need a fun too as well too. That would be great for you.
Anything we can get, we really appreciate the donation, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we give thanks and thanks again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Give
thanks to you,
Thank you a million.
Yeah, man.
Thanks a million.
Alright then, blessings, uncle.
Yeah.
Marvin.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave the bag.
Yeah, what
Sandy, from the United States.
Yeah.
She says that she's a relative of yours. She sent $6,000 for you.
Thank you very much.
From overseas, yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah. You tell her many thanks. So you tell her thanks. And good thing there. So talk on the camera and tell her thanks.
Thanks. Very much. Thanks. I appreciate it there. Thanks very much, cause seriously, mash up. Get the matches and when we get matches, beaching.
Yeah.
And we can't sleep on bed. You understand? I floor we sleep on floor.
Floor you sleep on.
Yeah.
Alright then, so as I may say, she said she can reach out back to me. So if any good things see me, me come back to you. If you contact me and if you get the donation, anybody try to contribute anything to you, me come and check your back, see me, yeah? So far you have to go on with the faith till everything alright. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm thank you too now.
Yeah man.
You
can't even see for count the money.
No.
The money for you.
No, it have to count.
Make she count it for you. Right, have to count on the camera. Turn on it. So count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right.
$6,000.
$6,000 from Sunday. Yeah?
I'm thanking you. Yeah man, come face.
Alright then. So big up yourself, see me, yeah?
Right.
And big up Father God too.
Yeah.
Father God. So music guys.
Because see they come and cook no one. Me not stop.
Alright then. No way ahead man, just do what you can do and Father God make the rest work.
Yeah.
So just stay positive and just go on with the faith. So just do what you can do and Father God make the rest work, yeah? Alright, give thanks. So alright, no matter where you stay. So we're gonna drop off an next bag of groceries to somebody else as well too. So put up on this show, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
So stay safe. Alright.
Victoria Town. Yes, sir. And them change it, them and them politics. Yeah. See that? You know, some of mine just from Brian. Yeah. About yesterday we come check out what you were facing, man. Some people come here too.
That's Marie Bravo. Sorry.
Marie Bravo. That's a Marie Bravo thanks and Hitler. Marie Bravo thanks.
Yeah.
She's not connected to the cricketer.
No, she's not cricketer.
No, connected to the cricketer.
No, she's not connected. So
that's my it's a say. She'll be at age, but she's still a mate.
Yeah.
My mother now, why never have cricket? And I see her when she look like for your mother. It's for your mother look the same way. And my mother family, not my family, no. My mother. See her way the whole of them look.
Yeah.
Why? Yes.
Yeah man, so go on hold the faith, see me man, and go on stay positive.
I hold it, you know, I don't pay them no mind.
Yeah.
I said go. The book have to fulfill, you know?
Yeah.
But some people talk about that Jesus not there and it now fulfill.
Lie them I tell you.
I lie them I tell you.
Lie them I tell you. So just go and big up yourself, see me.
Thanks, yeah.
Go back over next time.
Thanks, yeah. Take care, you know, yeah, you too. Yeah, come on the street with them. Yeah, me know. Yes, so blessings, man. Yes, yeah, make somebody live at the back for you. Yes, alright.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. gonna be a better end.